you know, Capistrano Classic One of Praise. And just wanna say thank you to Josh Love. Alright. So, let's see ang kanyang mga warriors. Alright. So, he got first bird, Jed 29207. 29207 Jeds. Blue check. This one is possible hen. First bird. Second bird. Two nine two oh five. 29205 blue bar white light. Blue bar white light. Possible hen. Okay. The third bird. Jeds 29203 blue bar. Blue bar. Ganda ng talukap na ito. Alright, the third bird. Let's get the fourth birds. There we go. 29204. Another blue bar. The fifth birds. Easy, buddy. There we go. 29209 blue bar white light splash. And the last bird is last birds. There we go. 29202 blue bar. Okay. Once again, thank you for your